everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is SUNMI and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything. I will be doing a unboxing or actually unbagging of some of the items that I just received. I just wanted to share you guys some of the events that I will be attending in July, and then also to give you guys a final verdict on the case full of Seoul. I've been using it for a little over 2 weeks now, and today I'm going to be doing the spa Sunday, and it actually happens to be a Sunday today. I will be putting this video up in a few days. Okay, so my face is washed. The special Sunday spa routine consists of 4 products, which is, I have a little thing, a cleanser, the toner, the essence, woke up like this, whoops. This is a treatment mask, and then lastly it ends with the urine vitamin oil serum. So instead of using like a cotton ball to get the product, what I do is I only take like maybe 1 pumps and kind of let it blend it all over my face, because I feel like if you were to use a sponge, the sponge takes up most of the product. So this is my way of trying to lengthen the amount of usage. The second step is the Urine True Rose Repair Essence. I do about 2 and then dab it all over my face. And this is usually the speed that I go at. And then I kind of bring it down to my neck as well, because that's also skin, not just the skin on your face. And then after I do that, go ahead and open this sheet mask. And it's by Woke Up Like This All-in-One Concentrate Treatment Mask. Okay. And it says you should have it on for 10 to 20 minutes, which I think is perfect enough, because I can go ahead and talk about, ooh, this is really milky. I've never seen a sheet mask this milky before. So I'm a little bit grossed out. That'll zoom in. So that's on my face. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and talk about the items that I recently received. And I'm sorry, this probably looks really scary, and I'm having a hard time talking, but I'll do my best to speak. So the first item that I got in mail, it's from Lucky brand. I actually went to the outlet mall and I tried on this dress, but it wasn't on sale. So even though I tried it on, I really loved it. You know, I put it back on the rack. So I went on the online website, and they were actually having a 75% sale on most of their products. This is the dress that I tried on and I really, really loved. This originally is $79, but I think I got it for $30. So I really love this color, and the feel is so soft. And the second item that I got in mail is, it's a BeautyCon ticket. Can you see me smiling? It's so funny. One of my subscribers told me about another subscriber, another YouTuber. Her name is Rented Fashion. And so I decided to check out her channel. She was from LA. So I was like, what the heck? She's from LA. So I decided to be a creeper and asked her if she was going. And sure enough, she told me she's going. And I was like, I don't want to go by myself. Like, hint, hint. And so she told me, if you want to meet up and go together. I was like, yes. So we both ended up purchasing the 2-day hauler, which is $199. So yes, it is pretty pricey, but we get in 2 hours prior to everyone else. And we also get I think it was like $200 worth of beauty products. And then the third item that I received in the mail, I actually opened this, so I wasn't sure what it was. So I'm going to be attending the Comic-Con 2018 in San Diego. We ended up getting the 4-day pass, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let me just tell you, the tickets weren't that expensive, but the most expensive part about this trip is the hotel. But I'm really excited. This is my first Comic-Con, and thanks to Tony, we were able to go because it was under her name. She was able to add 2 more people, I think. So that is that. So I'm really excited. So let's quickly talk about the pros of Case Full of Seoul. I have to say this is a pro. Although the price of this box is $150, you get 9 full-size items. And if you do 150 divided by 9, that's about less than $20 a product. And let me just tell you, with this vitamin oil serum, you can't get a vitamin oil serum for less than $20. You have to spend at least $30, and that is only if you get it on sale. And lastly, it's the application method. I don't know if you guys noticed, but certain products, and I have to say this because this is one of my favorite foundations, is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've noticed that with that one, doesn't come with the pump. However, they sell the pump to you separately. Why am I paying $45 for a foundation and have to purchase a pump separately? However, with this product, I felt like each item came with all the necessities for you to use. Like this one comes with the spill proof. This one comes with a pump mechanism, so you only get the amount that you need. This one comes with a really nice spray. And then these come with the little squeezy, I don't know, what is this called? Squeezy little thing. So this is also perfect, so you only get the amount that you need. You know, it's those little details that really matter. Okay, lastly, the con. There's two cons that I've noticed with this case full of Horror. The first one is the amount of SPF 50. You're supposed to be applying this throughout the day. Like, at the rate that I'm going, I'm probably going to only have this for about 3 weeks, which is not going to be the same amount as the other products. Like, they should know, like, Koreans should know that you're supposed to be applying sunscreen throughout the day. Like, the amount that they give you, this, I probably already used 50% of this. So, they definitely need to increase the volume or increase the number of products that they put in their box. And the other con that I have about this product is the face mask. If this is supposed to be, if these products are supposed to last me a month or a little over a month, and they only give me 2 of these, I don't get it. There are 4 Sundays in a month. So shouldn't they have really put in at least 4? That is it, you guys. I really recommend this box for those of you if you guys want to try. Obviously, if you were to buy these separately, you're going to have to pay at least 4 times to get all these products. But for 150, the steps are really easy. It really takes me like 5 minutes. If you are going to Comic-Con or the BeautyCon, please comment down below. You know, I would love to meet more of you guys that are going, and I would love to know who lives in California and especially LA because you're a lot closer to me. Alright, have a good day and have a very good weekend. Bye guys!